In this video, we find one of the most beautiful hidden beach in Bali and how I got the best FPV drone shot. We started our morning with this beautiful and cheap accommodation. The link is down below in the description. Please do check them out as it is the best value for money.
This beach is absolutely isolated and it's one of the most beautiful beaches, and this is our second time going down because we came in really early morning and the tide was so low, and there's this specific time where the tide hits the shipwreck just right and the waves splash against the shipwreck. So it's almost 12 p.m. in noon, and according to Google the tide has risen up. Now we're going down again. Look at that, baby! The shipwreck that I was talking about is right behind us. The tide is just perfect right now. We are going to find a bush to throw our bags because it's really hot. This is where we're gonna film, and this warung is right here waiting for us. Over there they're charging for beds like 100k, which is like how much? $10? About
yeah.
$10. And here we can put our bags down.
Finding this place was not easy, but we got rewarded for our effort.
Behind the scenes, taking some shots of that lady, the shipwreck, and it's looking absolutely amazing.
The waves hitting the shipwreck and this beautiful beach all to ourselves, it was truly one of the best experiences we ever had.
I just got one of the best epic FPV flight I've ever done. I managed to get up to that cliff and dive down. It was just amazing. I can fly here for hours and hours, but it's just amazing. The waves are so huge, and this shipwreck in the middle makes everything just that much more interesting.
Hope you enjoyed our little adventure. Next up, we head to East Java, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.